What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to give everyone a little bit of an update. Been tinkering around with some stuff. Had to get a brand new speaker from Scar. The other one gave out. They said they were overpowering it, so I had to switch it out. So I got a new EVL12, same as before, breaking it in just like I did before, all that. Got a new box from sonicsenclosure.com. It is their stage 3 one that they have, so the inside is all 45-degree angles and everything's rounded just to make airflow as smooth as possible. It's been working really well for me. I'll give you guys a demo here in a little bit. And then I ended up just hooking up Access Power XP750. I was having some issues with the car, you know, fluctuating in RPMs and the voltage dropping and the lights flickering and all that stuff. So got that charged up, got it done, and I've been just loving that ever since. So highly recommend that. Got that from Down for Sound shop, actually. You got anybody that's into car stereo knows you can never go wrong with Down for Sound. With that, let me give you a demo of it. Alright, and of course, I don't own the rights to any of this music. I'm just doing it for entertainment purposes only. Words can be difficult, as you just noticed. We'll probably wait for these people to go by. Everybody's always rubbernecking. Gotta love it. But yeah, gonna show you how the new box works, gets everything moving a little bit more. Alright, let's get it going. Those nerds are gone. Get a little bit of movement up here, but not too much. It's a little cold. It does it more when it's warm, but that's just an excuse, right? That's about it. I just want to thank you guys for checking it out. Any comments, leave them at. Any advice, let me know. Have a good day, guys.